Well, I hope one of them will be the one that shows it's both safe and effective at protecting people against COVID infection. But the answer, and the reason we have 6 across 4 different vaccine formats, is because we don't know. We don't know if any of these will be effective, and so we are choosing the most promising vaccines across this range of 4 different formats, so that if any one of these works, we will have vaccine ready. I think we've made amazing progress, actually. It's still too early to say whether any will work, but given that we only discovered the virus in January, and we've got 3 of our 6 vaccines have already shown clinical data showing that people who've received the vaccine mount immune responses that can actually kill live COVID virus in a test tube, that's incredible progress. We've got another step to go, which is to show whether or not these vaccines can actually protect people against infection, but we are well on the way to I hope, some positive news. Well, the manufacture is happening now. So that's one of the goals of the Vaccine Taskforce, is that we are manufacturing vaccines before we know whether or not they are safe and effective, so that if they're shown to be effective, we can then roll out immediately. So we've got deployment planning underway with different scenarios, because of course we don't know which vaccines may work and be approved. And so we will be ready and in place, so that as soon as any vaccine is ready for deployment, we will have teams in place. The committee in the UK that actually determines vaccination strategy is called the JCVI, the Joint Committee of Vaccination and Immunisations. And this is a group of expert vaccinologists who advise the government on exactly that. And so the advice they've given us for planning purposes is that the people who are most at risk from COVID infection should be prioritised for vaccination first. And that includes the over 50s, certain ethnic minorities, people with underlying health disorders over the age of 18, and frontline health and social workers. So that is the group that we have been prioritising for purchasing vaccines, and will be deployed in terms of vaccination first.